Welcome to all. I am Professor A.R. Wakude, going to deliver video lecture on the topic farm machinery designs, farm machinery design parameters, design consideration of farm machinery, human factor in farm machinery designs. So farm machinery design, it involves the creation of appropriate farm machinery that works safely, reliability under actual field operation on the farms. The design may lead to entirely new machine or an improvement over the existing machines. Farm machinery design, the following factors: predicting failures, analysis, selection of most promising solutions for more detailed analysis, iteration, prototype and testings. What are the design parameters of farm machineries? Farm machineries, design engineer must consider the following factor for designing the machines. First one is the power requirement and sources of availability. Then functional requirement, optimum expected life of machines, that is working life 2000 hours, strength requirement of various components, material substitutions, wear characteristics, ease of operation, reliability of component of the machines. Possibility of designing all multipurpose machine combining more than one function into single machines. In cost of machines, economy, ease of operation, safety aspects. These are the design parameters of farm machinery. Now one of the more part which is involves in human factors in farm machinery designs. So what are the different human factors in farm machinery design? There are several factors that are involved in human factors. So these are air, temperature, humidity, purity, noise level and vibrations. Now farm machinery design differs from other machines. How it differs from other machines? It differs it from normal life expectancy of machines, then safety aspects, then variation in condition due to geographical location of fields, method of control, adjustment of machines. Machines should be easy to operate, reliable. That is, normal expected life is 2000 hours in use. Perform various function in motions, safety aspects. Economic designs, major type agriculture machinery manufacturers have volume per less than 5000 units per year. Then human factors. So these are the different human factors as I have already told. Human noise level, vibration, seat design, arrangement of workpiece, amount of physical efforts, overall visibility of machines that needs to be watched. The equipment designed with proper application of human factors is based on the following performance. What are the different performance of equipment which have designed by taking consideration human factors? So these are increase efficiency and productivity, improve safety, improve flexibility, increase comfort, decrease operator efforts. Draft and power requirements, design frames of machines. The draft and power requirement of machinery vary from farm to farm, location to location, season to season, from year to years. And design frames must be as light as possible to reduce the cost, soil complication, propelling power strong enough to resist the shocks due to fields and obstacles. So these are the different human factors. Then what are the design features of all well-designed machines? Or it is also called as a design consideration of farm machines. It makes efficient use of power source, efficient use of human work in doing, best possible quality of work with minimum cost, easily workable, machinable, cheaper material constructions, required fewer parts that reduce the cost, standard and interchangeable parts, simple in constructions, corrosion resistance, provide safety device, low cost of repairs. So these are the different design features consideration of farm machineries. So I end my video lectures. Thank you very much.